Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer, and in today's video I'm going to start a new chapter from your computer book. Okay students, so firstly take out your computer book, okay, which is look like this, and open chapter 3. Okay, open chapter 3, page number 20. Okay, now students, tell me, what's the name of our chapter? Our chapter name is parts of a computer. Okay, parts of a computer. So students, in this chapter we will learn about the different parts of a computer. Okay, so students, as you all know, we all have our body parts for the different functions, same as computer have also their parts. Okay, computer have their parts too. Okay, so some body parts, okay, some parts of computer are main. Okay, these body parts, okay, these parts are called main parts of a computer, and computer have some other parts. Okay, so we will learn about the different parts of a computer in this chapter. So firstly students, look at this box. Okay, look at this box students. In this box you can see some body parts name are given. Okay, some body parts name are given, and also their works are given here. Okay, here some body parts name are given, and here their works are also given. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to match the various body parts with their functions. Okay, so what is mean by function? So functions means work. Okay, functions means work. So you have to match the body parts with their functions. Okay, you have to find out that which body parts does what kind of work. Okay, and you have to match with the correct body parts with their function. Is that clear? So students, let's start matching these body parts with their functions. So here you can see first body part is hands. Okay, first body part is hands, and the next one is legs, third one is eyes, and the fourth one is ears. Okay, so here four body parts you can see: hands, legs, eyes, and ears. Okay, these all body parts you have to match with their function, and here their function are also given. First one is walking, listening, writing, and seeing. Okay, so you have to find out that which body part does what kind of work. Okay, so what is the work of hand students? Okay, what do we do with the help of hands? So we write with the help of hand. Okay, so hand helps us in the writing. Okay, we write with the help of hands, so we will match the hands with the writing. And the next one is legs, so we walk with the help of legs, so we will match with the walking. Next one is eyes, so what do we do with the help of eye? We see the things with the help of eyes. Next one is ears, so we listen the different kind of sounds, the voice, with the help of ears. Okay, so we will match the ears with the listening. Is that clear, students? So you have to complete this like this, okay? You have to complete this task like this, students. Is that clear? Now students, as you all know, in our previous chapter we had learned about the uses of computer, okay? So in the previous chapter we had learned about the uses of computer. So what are the places where computer are being used and what are the things we can do on a computer, okay? So we had learned about the different things that we can do on a computer. And in today's video, okay, it means in today's chapter, in the chapter 3rd, we will learn about the different parts of a computer, okay, that does the different kind of work, okay? We will learn about the different parts of computer and their works also, okay? We will also learn their works, that what are their works we will learn in this chapter, okay? So let's start reading, students. Without any delay, put finger on the first line and start reading and explaining this chapter, okay? So put finger on the first line. Friends, you are aware of your body parts and their functions. So as we all aware about our body parts and with their functions, in the same way a computer has many parts that do different things, okay? So the same way we all know about our body parts, we all aware about our body parts, the computer has their body parts too, and in the same way a computer use their body parts for the different things, okay? In the same way computer has many body parts, okay, like us. Is that clear? And these body parts help a computer to do the different kinds of work, the different kind of functions. Is that clear? Okay, so here you can see main parts of computer. So now we will learn about the some main parts of computer, okay? So what are the main parts of computer? A computer has 4 main parts, okay? A computer has 4 main parts. So you all should learn these all 4 main parts of a computer. Is that clear? So what are the name of these 4 parts? So first one is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, okay? These are 4 main parts of a computer. So what are the, okay, repeat after me: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, okay? Is that clear? Let us learn what these are, okay? So let us learn, students, what these are and what are the works of these body parts of a computer, okay? So first part is monitor, okay? First part is monitor. So let's learn about the monitor. So a monitor looks like a television, okay? How's a monitor looks like, students? So a monitor looks like a television. Have you seen television ever, students? You must have seen television ever because you all have television at your home and you all watch cartoons, movies, songs on the television, okay? So a computer, the monitor, okay, the first main part of a computer, which is monitor, and the monitor looks like a television, okay? But students, do you know a basic difference between a television and a monitor? Do you know the basic difference between a television and a monitor? So there are basic different, okay? There is a basic difference between television and monitor is that a monitor doesn't have a tune, okay? A tuner to change the channels like a television, okay? So a television has a tuner to change the channel, but a monitor have no tuner to change the channel, okay? And they are also different between the between the there are also a difference between the screen quality of a television and a monitor. Okay, now you can see images, words and moving pictures on a screen. So you can see images, okay, you can see the pictures, you can see the image, you can see the words on a monitor screen. Okay, you can see the moving picture, you can see the words, you can see the movies, okay, on a monitor screen. Okay, is that clear? So this is the picture of a monitor. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a monitor. Is that clear? Now students, the further portion of this chapter we will read in the next video lesson. Okay, so what you have to do, there is a homework for you all students. You have to read this chapter at your home with the help of your guardian. Okay, and see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.